Hi guys! So today is June 15 and bukas is Father's Day and may bumili sa atin ng
Ano ba yan?
Easy lang naman.
Easy. Wow!
Easy lang naman.
Easy.
Tapos kumuha din si Sir ng New Era Cup.
MLB.
So, meron siyang free gift card ng Stash na worth 500 pesos dahil naka-promo kami ngayon for Father's Day.
Ayun, yay! Alright.
Ayaw magpakita ni Sir, kaya
pang-regalo daw kasi, secret
surprise
muna.
daw.
Alright, thank you, sir!
What is good, fam? Another day, another hustle for us. So yes guys, very special tong vlog na to, pero big shoutouts muna sa lahat ng mga nanood ng latest vlog natin, which is yung, I think yung Sunday Red. At the same time, yung nanood na rin ng unboxing natin ng napaka-solid na 1 of 75 na Kitex Tag Heuer. So for now naman, medyo late na tayo dahil actually kaka-release lang din netong i-unbox natin na bago, pero sobrang one of the best and solid na Travis Scott na nilabas. So Jordan 1 Low, Travis Scott, Canary coming up. So abang-abang kayo dyan. Let's start this vlog. What is good, fam, and welcome back na naman for another unboxing. Isa sa pinakahihintay kong dumating for this week. Today, i-unbox natin ang Jordan 1 Low OG in collaboration with Travis Scott, which is in Canary colorway. So quick facts lang guys, the Jordan 1 Low OG Canary is inspired kung saan pumasok si Travis Scott, which is sa may Elkins High School, sa may Missouri, sa may Texas. So yeah, let's get straight to it. So the box is just like your ordinary Jordan 1 Low OG. Shiny cardboard siya na may print ng Nike logo dito sa may harap. May kita nyo dito yung 1985 na Air Jordan 1. At the same time, ang official SKU niya guys is DZ4137 700 Canary laser blue light silver. So this is a size 9 women's guys. So kung alam nyo, ang ninabas lang nilang sizes dito is women's sizing. I think size 4 to 13 na women's size. So if you are curious about the sizing guys, if you are a 9 men's, you should get a 10.5 dahil less 1.5 siya sa men's. If you are a size 8, you need to get 9.5 women's. So kasama niya pala guys, meron siyang extra wax laces, which is the red and the blue extra lace. So isa sa mga nagustuhan ko is I think isa sa mga Jordan 1 Low na na-release ng Travis Scott is eto lang yung merong mga extra lace, which is dalawa. Kaya isa sa mga nagustuhan ko rin dito. And then let's go straight to the pair. So yeah, this is the Jordan 1 Low OG Travis Scott in Canary colorway guys. So let's start kaagad dito sa may reverse big swoosh niya dito guys. So as if you all know, kung ngayon lang kayo nakita ng Travis Scott, so ni-reverse nila guys yung swoosh dito sa may mid panel in laser blue colorway. Tumbled leather din ang ginamit, and then dito sa may mid panels siya guys, gumamit din sila ng light silver siya guys na tumbled leather. So kung nakikita nyo sa mga pictures, para siyang white, pero in person light silver talaga siya. And then dito sa toe box, perforated, makikita nyo, leather, tumble leather din ang ginamit. Dito sa may harap, makikita nyo yung flat suede material na ginamit. Also, it comes with the yellow default laces. Makikita nyo naman dito sa may tongue niya, makikita nyo yung Nike Air logo. At the same time, yung Cactus Jack na branding dito sa may tabi ng Nike Air logo din. Then dito naman tayo sa may inside panel niya. Makikita nyo na yung default na Nike swoosh, also in razor blue colorway. And then makikita nyo guys, by the way, yung Cactus Jack logo dito in red font. This is a reflective material ang ginamit. So dito sa left pair, makikita nyo yung Cactus Jack logo na branding dito, yung may muka. Also in a flat suede leather na material. Sa midsole naman, makikita nyo, para lang siyang kamukha nung, para lang siyang kakulay ng mid and front toe box, which is in light silver also. And dito naman tayo sa my sole, they use a gum rubber material, which is, kung mapapansin nyo, very rare lang na ginagamit, lalo na dito sa collab na to. So isa rin to sa mga bold move na ginawa ng Jordan brand when it comes dito sa collaboration. So this is the left pair. I-check naman natin yung right pair guys. Actually ang differences lang nila between the left and the right pair, makikita nyo yung Wingman logo dito, which is stitch rin siya guys, embroidered. Also flat suede material ang ginamit. So actually yun lang yung pinagkaibahan nila between the left and the right pair. What I like about this is very bright yung colorway niya. So for me, hindi ko siya like totally type, dahil when it comes sa yellow medyo nahihirapan akong bagayan. Pero you know, it's someone else cup of tea then. So yeah, this is a very another great pair. And alam nyo naman guys, pag Jordan 1 Low OG Travis Scott, talagang pinagkakaguluhan, talagang nasusold out siya kaagad. This was released I think last week of May 25, something like that. And nagre-retail lang siya ng around $150. So ngayon actually this is one of the most na pinakamurang Jordan 1 Low OG na Travis Scott na makukuha nyo. For me, I think this is the right time. If you want na magkaroon ng perso pair mo, this is the right time para bumili ka, dahil habang medyo mababa pa yung market ng Travis, for this one nagre-range siya ng around mga 28 to 35,000, still depending on the size. So yeah, this is one of the most cheapest in the market na colorway ng Jordan 1 Low OG Travis Scott. So yeah, let me know down the comments if this is a cup or drop for you. Ano bang masasabi nyo sa colorway na nilabas nila ngayon. And I think meron silang ilalabas. May mga rumors din guys na maglalabas sila ng pink version, which is ipapakita ko dito. So rumors pa lang naman siya. So siguro abangan natin, most probably next month kung talagang i-release nila. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Kita-kits ulit tayo on the next vlog. Peace out!